Hello. How are you guys doing? Albanyadi. Okay, cooling. Nice. If you guys can hear me, give me a thumbs up if the voice is okay. And also, if kara famo get wow. So if you can hear me, I would like to get a little thumbs up, and then also nasi program of an share no. So it's an impromptu program. My plan, I just basically came on. So I was at home today and have some time. Let me come on. Very good, Mr. Kamara. So you can also share the program if you have, if you can do that. That'll be great. And it's a model alert no. Yeah, exactly. Okay, like you said, be a messenger. Let me come once in a while, pop in, have some discussions. Guys, but yeah, sometimes it's good to have fast and just have discussions, open discussions and about issues. Cool men be caring, men tambita, kanyati limela, pro hakilol sirwa. 2026 kana bila kuna jang katefa sawalam. Democracy cool ka do, so sometimes it's good. Bidajele nga cool banyo kono sometimes. Like I said, Stamane, thank you. Yeah, like I said, topic wedding is just two topics, but it can be expansive as you see. I know for me, basically changing the narrative. Changing the narrative from deception, politics of deception, to politics of truth in leadership. Changing the narratives from politics of deception to politics of kamonya kono jibe ka tonya fay membe kiri ya fay abenyami ya fay alom nyinem tonyati nyinem di reality mobe tanyola ngam wal development kana wala nyam development bi kana no nyo nene kono man sa men ka nyo nene roke wala leader men ka nyo nene ke so nyumul ku topic lun ku malati men ko nyanda ke kacha once in a while. And then the next one, the topic I'm for basically the history of electoral manipulation. Because you follow Katanyola. Because Yajibe, Mansal Melanco, leader Melanco, because sitting see, it become truthful, they are very manipulative, they call Dabaj leadership Kemole, Bandia in Dania in Tapalaya, the Fembuka Keno, Nyajibe, Bigana Bambuna Koma, Cartefeo Sunya, because Nyajibe. Ikalon ko la do ko ta carte siro la mo ñoo kela sanjulu wala sanjata be ka kalante politi then ning carte fa sira sangi panic, and then they start employing all kinds of stuff ya fahamla to cling on to power. So these two go together a lot. Anytime you see a manipulative leader, member ka tonya fu leadership be ka ñoo nenelte carte fa be sila rek fa fanansi ñoo nene sama je fana because ipakala no ko hadama dol gamino l'hôpital kate di la kotenke atre la kamo be tinya e kuberi nyoko over the past 5-7 years, or 5+ years. So these two are key, they are center of our issues as a country. Nyum fuara jawjo be caring, nyum batam be caring, nyum halakombe yimbanko hanjang, lack of infrastructure, domorama mosi, there's no food security in this country. All of these things nyajibe be leadership me alonko more responsive, leadership me alonko be ga tonyafo, leadership me alonko I camera nyo nene harama de nene wala tala dokote nyito 40 ye degree ndindi la rek masters degree ndindi la place ndindi la yeketang faria fo la bada nene la ba. So say new okay ikana la ba min dol say nyiko say carte fo sita. So wala da nyim fulo they always tied together wala la fa nyim topic fulo akajake je dal ha. Exactly. Well, basically changing the narrative from from how do you call it, politics of deception to tonya. Nyaja nyunkumata Gambia meta bataden. Mr. Former, kaya Taliban. Anyway, nyaja nyunkumata. Dawda fela pipi ngol fela yare sija, pipi ngol. Ero from fositro ma do maneta. Ni banyu kunyala. Muge fana spare. Wala ni buka be. I condom NCP ngol ko nadia solan nehe. But anyway, nyaja nyun tupi kumara Gambia la nyum batambe kirinde. Nyum fara jawjombe kirin. Abita ranata. Maral jawo aning maral lal mialanko ibika song tonya fala mole. Yalo nyin tonya fo bali aning ka open up. Membe kiriya fo ya na reality understand. Yalo nyela reality understand. Yalo ito mente. Nyine tala sembote. Hajale. Nyine tala ikanyadi yela sashi doros long yela jubal kurtolong. Ikela manya fanan tala wala nyama. Ila expenditure, ila dépense woni folte iko fanan korla according to your size. But nite la dunia beke kuma kalandam fode ni nyo nene comme ni mansa ko nakasi ka humula ko ha 7% economic growth leketa 10% economic growth leketa. Ite banko ikasi ka mo jibe ka fe ko ntola economic growth la 10%. Ntola economic growth la 7%, 6%. In America, ni economic growth hani 2%. Ntola ko feel hani 3%. For one they are here. They worked in America for the past 30, 20, almost 25, 26 years. Anytime an economy will grow in America, even 2% for more car feel like post economy, you can feel essential rotele, you feel muru sandlado, you feel money sandlado, you feel yes sandlado, subu sandlado. This is how economic growth works. Everybody feels it. Bibi la one nang doctor saying in kakanjana coffee time about this economic growth thing, stuff like no coffee time, QTV, Mr. Cisse. Was asking me, press jack, I don't have any economic growth at 6%, but don't man to feel can. I money but answer with 2,000 plus. Things are well, you know, we move from the global napati. Anyway, for the global price of the COVID. Hindsight, they are blaming COVID. BB Lala B in 2025. After 6 years of COVID, doctors say still blaming COVID-19. Yalo nyamati amantambola. Moment cardinal PH Dilam. Master degree be kumala jana primparam bibi la lay bayin ka kan QTV na da la jibe fenkela alusi sala page dal ba jana jël. He's still blaming ako global trade fenketeng, and then he tried to blame this guy again, the COVID-19 in 2025. This is a classic example of Mansal Melanco, Mansakundal Melanco, Lidal Melanco, Tonya Bika Fono Dala. Priamera citizen soul, Amara Bankudol mu follow letting. You can just come and tell them anything. Maybe that could work in the 60s. Tumo karana masia Gambia kono. More than they boko karang many fonsi from Kosigano like a newspaper karam fang is very, very minimal. See? So what jamalo la yes multa yokumo baho molia. Ha maina kala tenin but in this day and age, you cannot come and tell me manual price on falling, carrying commodities on dulunon falling. It's now because of COVID. It's a lie. Tonya keso menti ite hanyilo folande. Tonya mu menti wala ko nyin commodities all be many buloko no. Kalilu waga nyol ning, Shaben Madu nyol ning, George Bana nyol ning, Kotakiel ning, all these importers on falling. You understand? Saro whatever, Ja Oil, all these people. Yini be fenne ke la campaign kono. Yini koda le loye mutuba le dealer. If you da fere as a president, you sat there in a brand new car Babu Drinkam Bakau in 2021. Ika foko ha Kalilu Bagala Indina, Kalilu Bage, zero mileage. Like Kalilu. And video. E pick up say mutuba say boso say e tisar container dealer pour la campagne tamandala. Ita na bi wolbe sila kede jibete. Fol nyala mata. Wala na lela li di janga kaka ko do pasar. Wala be abe manse ya nyilo la iko ika container ko sukuro de ko la diala. You know, mu yinde ka so fonga la be so nyine bika mo so 15. So be very, very, very careful. Ha, fuara be kir ngalo na ha bata be kiring. Par gambino ala nga hakil to men kanyum ko do pasar mo nyala. Mo be rafa ko do la ngalo. Dimbasi ko la ngalo. But umani bodo jani ba accept la time ta. O sukuru bodo men samale na jani ba tala ni mol bulo ko la time wota. Ninjiko nak amantara masako na hani opposition la bankono. So nyimu kule man ko nga hakil tuji hani opposition role ali cross. Abe ajiko be opposition ajiko be ni fanana. Nyimu liye control. Saying it is young in ka teleto B in 2026. Ikafe ko mano da sertale. Iko ko bari Dr. Nyaka journalist think you guys are saying that there's like this economic growth 6% 7%. Yeah, iko da malamo. Anytime itara IMF kamene for control economic growth 7% 8%. What? Where? Jama bela mo jal be tuwa budule. America la wala England, every time your country la banko announce economic growth even 2%. Positive growth. Not for recession, 2% growth. That is a positive. Mobile feel that. You can feel it at the pump in your petrol stations. You can feel it at the way you buy bread, rice, even down to milk prices. You will tell, you can know. But young, every day you are announcing that economy is growing. It will move from Mola from Balfola. The Ajin announcement by Bundan. Minimum of Kumala. Itara Dauda, you see some announcement. Last weekend, these people, this Masakunda, Sukuta. We had 2 ministers from the same government sitting in the same cabinet meetings, getting paid government money, vehicles and everything. Malali, Nalbe Lamorola, please allow you for share. Allow share by Modo Fanasa, Modo Sa Kalamdoniam. Because my advertise, I just came just like that. So if you're watching, press the share button and then invite other people. Okay, please. So you sat there at a rally, a mega rally where you spend millions of dollars. If Fuarul Cindy, Mubatarul, you know, Parul, Dinul, whatever it is, you sat them there. 2 ministers came on that stage and lied. One of them said they gave the Gambian people 180 tractors. 8 tractor jelu kemenin tanse. Donata atako tractor tawara already 60. From the same ministers sitting in the same cabinet. Nyinam ne wrote in nyunko sign nyunko nerero nyunko deception. This is what I mean by deception. Ataraje displaced on QTV kono ya yininka nying tractor again. He reiterated again ako 180 60 euro di malo nyadi. So nyinka ko aliya di nyale fana kom price on info is it free or whatever. He said ako ha manka free ti bari banko da kire manka free di. They start throwing this thing. Nyuko banko di ite nyite man karang ite man tama. Yenyu muer oh ha banko di men na fanko manka free di tenin den. No. Senegal and other places are doing it. Even if it's not free, but they subsidize it to the bare minimum. See? But our guys like the journalists maybe understand. You from man can push on back. I need kind of a no, but they just let that go. So that becomes the truth. So you know told Facebook. Because this space, informational control, what happens? That fania becomes the truth. So near counter, akadule. If I don't become falale, if I then at the end of the day, tonya is sabatib. Then minibel lamurola. Man okay mantama, Carol Manjaho bake, man dunialum bake. Unka digin in Facebook lala. Ite tawda fania bula, moe fania livoto, inya kasala. Budu fania walka ketonyade. Say budu itela population no ibe jikri men la men nyanda tonya mutala tonya understand ye mansa bondi wala ye mbata bondi truth ballot wala they are equipped with falsehood wala nim fani abe selling iman taw ye feed wala so ite ma counter no be seri baji wala ka hayalante ci village tele man la fika fankete man buguma confront ngapati buguma ni yi man ñi ko ñi kele ibe fala jan so ñana en tol dul ha jidi ko jaara fankete kadu defante de man defante bari yok mo fo jami man soto fa mi nalan ko ñente de ñinam then we go back and forth for kata sabati hajala. This is how because ñing ko ka jigin jonel sol la nal ka jigin ñing jonel sol ale alko menyanta ikanya the third estate the fourth estate menyanta katul la atulla information ka jako fanya kana sabati ya ko jabake so woto mole ko li findi mo nal ka jiki wala jang wallahi bil al bebe kala jambe wonte ñen wala wonte unfortunately ñu be kede say freedom mo natela yes jonel sol frita but ani menata bud wala mashallah ikana re mo jana lak mo ba bu sa jang jonale so menyanta ka push back a fa hani tenente o man equipped ka mo njamba amala ka menyininka atamang even the subject comme abela ko yemo sa malaika da Dr. Laye Mane interview wala Dr. Ousmane Gajigo ADB hamba talking about complex macroeconomic issues bankola how we're going to bring food prices down abe ko explain etekata ko mo sindi wonyala ko am jonale so do mala muna formu economics B and AMB for it, like supply and demand basics zero. I know Michael. Maybe he was a sports journalist before, or some I don't know local radio from big I don't know. When I see like Sakam journalist, so you have this conversation. You more kumal besida mboka fensu no bulokon because the people that should ask the right questions, they don't know. They have no reference point. Broken information abstract from these people's head. Mention to never. Banko be sitting for we kiri mbakalo mikasile essential temena jang 2021 that year essential was $50 now it's 88 that is a $38 increment within that is abnormal and every time prices in Gambia every time they rise prices don't fall in Gambia Germany Europe Asia whatever it is America. When prices go up, it's called economic metrics. Supply and demand like influence. COVID time, supply was limited, demand was high, price was selected because of productivity was going down. More money produce come back, everybody was sitting home. So that is a natural explanation of why COVID-19 prices were outrageous. Eggs, small, kilo in America were expensive. That is because productivity. So you could explain that. When COVID ceased, more people went back to work again. People started, productivity went back. China, India, you'll understand, they started, easing their restrictions on their supplies of rice and things like that. Immediately, prices started coming down of rice, wheat, cocoa, chocolate, everything started coming down. Petrol also started coming down because productivity rose. And demand subsided a little bit. Prices regulated. Gambia's case is different. Everything that went up around COVID is still up. So we are not subject to normal economic metrics. Ndolbe mulla bulokono mendi ade kake mulla. Mol melan kon tem fam bonire bulokono because wala na masal day kanko reda kapaj. E dola nyugo da kono e kawdeta masal da kada kapaj. Ya kawdeta masal buga diamno. This is the reality. So saying they have these people like Dr. Sise, ning dofol ajala. Yamra mo stupid ite man karate yamle ka humule ko te page elevate ite melo. You can even explain simple metrics. You sit on TV telling me COVID-19 in 2025 for the nyalamat. Ako how prices are stabilized. Well, belegi munga am rice 1,900 nakasa how to call it a wholesale price. The journalist asked him, "Kai, but Brikama Ba, we are buying 2,300, 2,400 in Brikama Ba, and also what is Akojana Dongoroba around Jara Central." And then doctor said, "Oh, well, again, listen. When the journalist did a good job here, journalists are the same coming from the bag of rice that's costing wholesale 2,900 whatever. Aka is costing about 2,400, 2,300 in Dongoroba." Then he retorted. Well, Jaikati for New York send margin. Of course, they have to yoke their margin. What do you expect? Who wants to do business? You buy $1, you sell $1. Who? This is exactly what the guy was trying to say. You cannot buy at 2,900 and you sell at 1,900. You have to make a profit. So you figure all that stuff in out. How do you control your port? When Ahmad Sani at 2017, what did they do? They took away the tariffs on rice and sugar and basic commodities at the port. That's what the UDP did, Ahmad Sani, when he first came. I believe it's still probably happening, but what did they do? They just went and behind the system, you could manipulate, even with, despite the reduction in Funko. So you need to be Mansakunda, no Funko, but why am I not feeling tariff like Jindo? It allowed the policy bay is immaterial if I'm not feeling it. This disconnect between Mansakunda and Hadaban will tema. Mansakunda began Hadaban Bejang, it come for an member from Tomojang, book of killing it. Because it can mean for a monkey to you see? So yes, if you ask them, wallahi, they will show you all kinds of documents. We reduce the phone quote from this percent to that percent, and you reduce, and you eliminate, just to bring affordability of blah blah blah. But you know the world market. I don't talk about world market here. I've seen the world market. More in America, being covered by Kering Kamano Sanjela, basmati rice, for my fellow Belamuro, for my sister Nada Seattle. He will tell you clearly, Manu Jitele from COVID price and incentive because the demand has fallen. This is natural, but why in Toyota Nabakaji? Abaselakandro. Because when they saw the opportunity, world market price on for Jileto, instead of a junior, it only to maximize their profit. Because you need to remember that profit maximization, instead of marginal profit, regular profit, 10%, 15%, no, they want to like 30, 40. Because you cool expenditure. If I depends on the dollar, you more that from the pollution campaign, okay, you move a posokon, it become high. So, you investor, you have to make money back. So, until we are not dealing with regular business people, we are dealing with people, they are criminals. And they are working in tandem with Nimman Sakundala Mul, a campaign sponsor. Albia Mojane, Baro Serejang, Ako Ngampare, Ako Mul Paretale. Porque MPP from Kulbe sponsor Kudo Betila. From I start saying these things. I don't know how to inform. Who are these people? Who are these people and what is their interest? Because obviously, there's no free lunch, there's no free money. Yes, we know. But who are these people? What do they want from me? It's very easy to know what they want from me. They want my ports. They want my contract, my phone call, my how do you call it? SCEs, special investment certificates. Yalo fana menyami. Yalo moja la ko use ja. If I remember, even Boca Junior, they are using it. It's like a tax exemption. Special investment certificate. A certain amount of dollar invest in Gambia. I think about $250,000 if I can remember properly. They do that for you. Company Jamala Katara Bamburu Koma near apply senior killing, so the idea behind that SC is you come to Gambia with your $250,000, $500,000, whatever it is dollars, and then you you come here, Purka invest. So Mansakuna okay, can I say it kausu? You really want to come to Gambia, you spend this amount of money. Normally it lasts 5 years, Sanyululu. So we give you a tax holiday, sort of tax break. If I fan topoto, business or even Gambia, investment of 1 point whatever million or 2 point, whatever. Let it grow. Breathe, you understand? On cheap, because the idea is you bring this investment, you're gonna create jobs, vendors, cement suppliers, construction workers, architects, consultants, all of these things. So the economy is actually expanding by your investment. So we also give you some sort of incentive, some tax break. We definitely balu domandi. By like Ghana just commence the pump. The following month, so this is why. But company will be Baluala Gambajan Sanyi Tanding Feng, Sanyi Morning Feng. Every year they apply for that SCEC. By renewal, I bear corruption, I bear Dumaje. Someone say I renew, but it tax you. I'll be surprised at name people like Boca Jarno, Masakunda Fanita, Jive, Taxola, Albe Kumbola. In your Masakuna Fanita, Nimbarajan, more city, cool corsi. jama be bulo la ko ja aka modo mira jang ko di bati fankete be bandi be baluka nyin sifala la so sai ndol be gro la nyaadi re I remember 2017, I remember vividly, I had a friend, member do call on the Minister of Finance. Amal Sane, law vehicle policy time when you told na be to do. Intermalum, covering high school. Atela tabulokam, you na file of the Amal Sambala Gassam. Gassam Bekering, Kabendamong grade, I don't know, Kabendamong grade 5 home start for middle. I jammed secret or even before that. Ahmad Samba. The Kokuritiba, Saturday Abulukosa. Bring in a file of Gibe. A Konya Boba. Can you imagine? Yin Kabiru Dola Dinintamu, this Kabirian company Kumaskutaki. A la cement company, Masakuna in India, and special investment certificate. Pru I Sanjilu Dama enjoy. Now, Paratabuda, I loa fire. Hajale. Na bonda kodo ay lo afay afanya la kolke ko nyi ngara fa nyi sawo sa nyi kanyi renew la na expire ya renew ko nyi fo bimbe 2017 ko nyi fo nyi 2017 kabiri sanyi mo ni fen ko man nyi beñ enjoy ka gammelol man nyi fo understand ato men fo la mo maybe this first time do ya mo from SES special investment certificate. So this is the major problem banko men ko men banko do mala men be nka fuara jalta nka jale fuara busa mole yebule le kunde ta lobitane bika wure bika fenje ika fo ala man fenke ala la ta man yet ala man tusoro nyala ka bebe ke grin jall nim fuara ya be nim kodum be ka mangete nga be jannam kambe dingol ka sign kambe dingol ka tamp ito la ka approve itol ka kala posokon ni pare xatanu bari dal jamoro nga ñu ñako jibe ku li la ga sa jibaldi la gamoy ga da sukur baldi sun kara si e mu do bal fale troko la sun kara la fele sina mo kendo inna lillahi kam misil mo mako bak jamolo ñi nanda ngani men falata ñi duko la ñu taka la be kéré njam to ñaabu ka sabatino Ninto nyaman sabade banko tita ninto nya sabatita akamen sabu ndanga jale alay makoy in sanni fulo kono fanan tartata lato même ngeta man sakuna rimoti local government banko badabo koto PSC bara bim munati abekele Masakunda ba ika taxol ta understand ye taxol collect ye dokoke ye taxol collect ani bantamol ka mendila narra emi fanno ye la budget dada ye kolke ya tamanda nyama ila tax fankol be damin ya collect kana taxo bla mol bloko ko se kudo dila kana poro la fankol tala because mole be bagaso clear kanje ab ko son judo eva jola all of these things be mol la hakolti ala len so poro la so nako ala angana la to say ala mo din ala poro di mol la abura jay badi mol la 400 meters of navigable water 400 meters sorry kilometers ba ako ala nyum fananta al balu nyenna ay osuno di mol Atlantic osuno ay ñew fata je ako ala fata nyali nyum fananta ay keno di mol la land men ko mam mountain soto gambel lano be so flat jannal bala gambel ko mala al tamal ta gene ko nakri ala gambel nyabi je ndene ndaka tamal ndanga mala fu janni mali jana bukina Ivory Coast ndo buka sile nal fana katam al bala no gambia alen so men banko do je mount wala keno be no yi no konko flat land tay bu ko je gambia alen so flat land fana ayen so mun so tilo la se fo bel sal kala foare dal mon foare ala poro da masal balun no alman solo essence la alman solo gold la alman solo fen ni por kilo pet na ki da nyama kat ala poro la ñele ay banku sabananita ay balun na poro la ay forcé Mali Burkina Guinée Bissau bankol e ka balun ñanda ka balun tel la poro la wada madama ila essence ila domoro ila city fongol ila everything na poro inde kana wolta ñingam fal lonno no fana sembolo nga tonya sabatin di nga kodo dépense ndeka dépense nyami wo banku mo yey banko be combine almost 50 million people ko Mali Conakry Burkina Faso yebe la population of combined close to 50 million people wo be ka balum tol ni banko mesen ding 2 million people e ka balum tolela ila domore ila essence ila diwlino ila jabo everything abeka na nimporola anyanda kana nimporola anyanda ta nsolo bedda nyokono hansa mam fanjeno yarasta hansa mam fanjeno fo rabe li pakati kenza abe kula manta nyama so kuma nga fa nyame ni last 2 years ago we also got a chance to be exposed to governance where you have taxes, you have rates, you have grants and things like that. Ye bankwota ya kudo manage idoko kala. Then I saw the difference between ye faniafo wale katu mo nene la menkake ani ye stonya sabatindi ye mo la kudo dependa inda dependa nyami ya tamanda nyama kami ngulu wala na mana joke de brikama mo ma understand sanji fula 900 scholarships 85 boreholes na men last year boholo promotion ngom bugo foka jabak you see without even cuz akeda la komi ninga fa yang singa fa ke mna na manya akonyo kyo akonyo tol if I look at myself I look at our country I BS akonyo mun kam malaka fa do fo post because I feel like mbedingolo kono ndoma hani for and the surface follow so come on a brag but bohol tan saying in vain silo darada jambar sanelo concreto naka drainage a basinta million kemening $101 million spent on waste management bagaso in 2 years. This is a council when we came probably understand lumenan do lo council fania ning nyone ne man sama beninje ay munatum buluje bide ko ye kayena Hanover 34 sonko ama hani 5 minutes si bon ko no jafisa ko ay tako tabulo fele computer fele mala nyaata dal haje banda be sitting yamira so but I understand at that time the people of West Coast kambe diwol mede be baluring kabri 1965 be nyimbango wol malon mune mu BACT min kada nying scholarship pour nying million lim wol akmo amiro fo baka bule ko ngona because I wutale kabri be dinin fo ti ko eta imna ina mala jaka so it all in their brain they are programmed and this is the key Gambia problem in person right now Gambia develop program ta ko foire is normal brika man ko fa nana program to la nyama no sanni fa la comment prala understand kan sai ba ko flo be kere brika be kere ne Gambia be kere ndeka jonya BAC be kere ne the rest of the Gambia be kere complete difference mindset le bijani miranya so with June 2023 before June 23 the normal adult in Brikama from Kalaji to whatever from Fonyi Kalaji to Bijilo funding kewon bije fabi sangi tallu nim feng fabi sangi taworo nim feng atiyo koita wana manna mira amal long he has no reference point in his life. It's very serious. A 60-year-old man in West Coast on June 1st of 2023 has no reference point in his life, entire life, that a council can give 900 scholarships, dig boreholes, and give councillors, ward councils, $1 million for their own expenditure. Sangita woro keba, membaluta, anguluta, fai sangita woro si West Coast, anamana amwe, anamana reference. So women alone, alafuaria is normal. Adimula karamutu tabalia is normal. Ala scholarship malima ko mulda na sate karobela pendumera UTG is normal. Musoleta na ko to kat julo sa foi bulobe ka karakara ini dimule they should be in school, they should be studying. No, they are in the narcos. You busa for sudo ita karamuda ila sudo because because karamuda the following day they fail in school because the time is not there for the kids. If you do sabola, if you not kujibola, we find out normal tale. Well, ale o later kan. Faria. Ndiwele julesa, ndefana julesa fumbule kara, ndiwele na julesa ba fumbule kara, sangi taworo, sangi talulu. That's the normal thing for them. Jambar sanelo silo, nga deno sindami, nyin sama keta, dol ka subula sugonele, ikata high school membi balaje komaje, ikata ilaje as refugees. Gambe dol, jiyo ka mulo ke refugee jang sanjo, aka mo ke refugee. Gambe jang. Till Dantan, itara sitting school auto in her family. Because here and Jia been on the Jamba Sanelo area to Jokara Finjamina. This young amended that. BSc Kasi, fancy engineering department sort of men killer do okay, engineer department of construction, public works, a kata killer, drainage sea fire, Casilo de la Cool Colonel Kakamol sea fire. June 2023. Wo reference point mansoro West Coast. So West Coast ko le foire da ya accept. Ko gamen ko bi ya foire accept nyami. Because say ikon ko yolo programme je. Iten defendi, man defendi ite bonte foire ulti ite man na balula. System o si wur fe ko tay fende fele na man say fele man say ta mo jela na West Coast. How many chairman la jarraje? How many chairman? Isa konte. Kukino. Yindo bari do say we are boy. 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 Isi konde. Yitara BSc la nadala bije. Atal babe sakini kari 1995 kajang 95 kajang ibije tol bije. Nyemenda da wedu weta. We are bi yona la group weta. Do na fana ya bi na la group weta. Fana ya tamande weta. Gambe di mole be misilme be ka sale nyedo je fol fon ka finte. Seri fo so ka fon jibe finu kut ko salo. Yena Gambier. Nkai men falate lafta la ligni ko yalon say mantra tali la. This is reality. There's no reference point before June that BSc could be something in life. You beg it and cancel forward. No men Yankuba signed swearing ta. Ay mune janyala wala na birabe campagne la man fonko siande aduna fa ñing promise bal kay kana promise ko jam ta ya fa bi dinko suki la nga dinko suki nga aduna fa lupol sol be fenke nga crossoro kele nga yinen na nga bu ko ni te ma ñinke ko do wala ta do ko ki isi ta ya fa jam be ne kala messi lo kala tan be kala tan tous zero ya be ñini ko taje ite malam be kering isi fa neke anoda yemen taraje ke another city for so wala and another biker say bo malo nyaadi all these people men tambitaje you be like them go tonya ba sabari no drana tay ko jibe so ngani men falata ñine fanam be la central government is the same thing. There's no difference right now gambe go be amere mo foare wolte ko biri ka man ko le amere be foare de nyamen no ha just 3 years ago so right now be caring literally Brikama bi ñaata malaka fa ha scholarship pour ken ba fa ñi ngi muta ni me dahi brikama ñaata mala bi ko ha masela drainage system moña ala ko ñama ba vraiment kende ite sile ko ha you know adum fang bo holo so la tawla bi si ko tay ko tul bay to dade bol ko ito brikama ko do sonno wala bi si ko do sonno wala bi sawaye bambi january si february si carton ward gunjuru ward kanilay ward kusama ward wala mi la $1 million soji ini be sen nyola bi atara yajibe modo na jambi ana mer after yankuba amanyin la mami lolo de yaji mbekel because I know so which means now West Coast ko wol ko say wala mindset say wol kanata wol liberate tale ka fele liberation wol joya bodol counter say moto yebla ko tan wala $1 million ibo bon la tala ba kala bay ba bon la ñina Gambia si say West Coast say wala level do say wol sawsan wol be ñi million ba iba expect la ñu scholarship ba expect la ñu silo ba accept la and then ñi gabe troko fa ba expect la ko ñana kala sangi na ni komando iman hanalon kabe caring sako sa mira sako sa demand. So you see how you liberate the people. say West Coast ko len Gambia banku man killing buko jaran ko sila ko wala basenko wala somewhere wulli wala somewhere I don't know how to call it this place Sierra North Sierra South kuntawdo ede sila ka fa 1 million on wala expect wala KM ko yega 1 million mintu what is 1 million Ibola fole bango karabela ibola fole every ward around the country na manke West Coast la ward solde ward ye Gambia ko jang men si akaka yilla 1 million dollar next year man so nyake ke fane nene kadatina this is reality there is no ward in this country apart from Kalaji nang kana fo bijilo fo gunje fo kato there is no ward around the Gambia that can today be I see in what November December January na ko do binala na 1 million na binala na dia nga dum silokuna na dia nga samba na fonko do gari nolto ngam fam plan right now to la wodo they are already planning gunjur wor be la ba plan ke be takala nyami ka ba fita wor be ta plan kan ba kala nyami ha kembuye wor ba plan kan men million kala nyami already yalon ka binala because me ya fo ya ka fari ya fo ndum to nyalo sabatel to nyalo taxol bundi mol dakono to nyalo taxol lakoti mol dakono fintinde ya dimul so B West Coast Waldam Malasi B Koka anticipating January February we will get some money from council no other council no other ward around the country apart from West Coast can see a CB ko dobinal Manaka mbebe gambe kilo ko ja manaka kilo mbeko ko sura kan kilo mbeko do madani ben ci loni jang why this distinctive difference because of not to because member janko leadership na bo mun do nyone ne leadership so ngara tonya leadership tonya di bidal biri yanku banata ñenen tonya confront janam I understand ñinko tonya in leadership ani la mo jam very very carefully he was confronted with a truth, with a very bitter truth. My dear campaign, Mr. Farmer, thank you. And my dear campaign, I get the sign. Jacob Sharikan, West Coast could be everybody Yankuba. Mole Katake Sodila, 77,000 people voted for you. Ye MPP Busa 30,000 almost votes. Sign, affair, say Kanari, Itamuta Sub. Now, Yankuba, let's hear what but the UDP and Telephone Party of Bejigritala. Can be neither field than Vanam filter. This is for some field, Imapare Kalantoga. Aramboro Fella be failing the Kalantola, who took and fold, more betaja, sign Kuyankuba sign. Mutu, say Tamutasubu. Yankuba Dunda, I manage. I mean, Kafola, Quay, Nabukole, Nakaitole, Nakodole. I said, I meant not to for Sonko, Chairman, but I now book a lower bank account token, a malon jelly bala account token. Mole karefa me ye loi diala ikay tele marata West Coast la na akanto jelle katraji dalasila mole kemelam ba atemalo first day yankuba nyamenta janna bita be mol fola mbekela tenne meñina spelna janna mbekela tenne kay kyo te ya lon fola mbela fonko mbela ila kondano kono kan ñim fendi je dum be de law kana fen foja malo sina fa ay ñininka akoy ko nakay tolle Pria Kalin Tilifula, Tilisaba Tamata. Tara Kenya, conference. Yanaita, I kumo to ala molbulu, many matter administration na, bank account on could be made bulokana, ko mbita. Janingana ala make sure na account toll. Bank account 9, current 9 bank accounts. Ko left ala li bela balance ila, bank statement ya samba na ngaji. Alors mon collègue, quand je me mets, na kanto di nangaji jela bite. Plus about I will cancel another time. But I bita for ya ko mbita 1 week. Yani ngana na kaito parent. Jana diamwe all follow demand. Bide ko korasi, play understand. Yalla nga fem fo janan ko. Mo jama be kerem jambi ko mi mano da ko la ren fembe kerenten. Man sata kudo la je. because many Kenyan man on news grown for some man yin man some de dala kromo ya kotonde dola feje ya dote ite diamuno so maranga example of fale akaka nyami ni futara bundaro ake how it confronts you real life yene kita dala alo tamo nyi grata tamadaro ay men bula priye kayto nyin parendai ay men bula ko en nabang akanso la li ali parende nyi nyin nata ngaaje jeleben akanto kon wol mo lijante de ale men lijante bi de listen very careful gambe ala katinya tenne gam banko katinya tenne wol man kayto lijante wol yemene ke yanko bal ko mani iko ila fa ko dol dajala la ikolol parende pour kata fonkol sanga e komi jabol ning sukrol ning tulol ning keke podol ning professional ning fol ten hajal pour ka sambala ala badi wala komi sana sikurata ten hajal tele sabada aloke fonkol chairman yala so afala tamata so ala ala molbe sukono mata ta kodo di gal komi ya BSc bakaso sang kom tulol ten jabol manol ning kirkara bol ten ate be tamat lado in Johnson, lateral ali honest to yourself. Ndolo mela morola. Ita ran chamano to bi kitab. Ko be kolari wul tanin tem prim param. La force encounter. Ye commande ko budu laftale ko min bari fela tamaza ila muso ila suko na bari na fonko sambaje. Bagaso sambaje tulol jabol ni prim. Gamben jelle ba fula yo wallahi ko ya fula la nyum mbadi yalla nyum fonko ta ha yalla hada ma yalla to kekatan ne yo nga nyo bunya rek ha nga dama ñina gamelo diam ñaata ni la mo jand tipika gamelo a patala la abula ni bunya kono a rofling kalante ya kono abro ko ha yalla wallahi yalla ñina na adotin to be ka ñina ke jang dal say na ta budu bulben isiri musobe so kono je bar nga ñin sambar tipika gamben baynata la dabal justify ya rofni mun na hadame ani badiya liñi kolere ha yalla bika jif seyndi ñu moy buñaay bika afinkatan ibina tala ya dabal ñoko no je ite mistake ite o jaboni sukuro ni keke poto ni fon ite o tayla bonko at that juncture the difference between B Allah scholarship o Allah bo holon $1 million men ditawo jambar sanyala ñi fonkol te wo silol men data wo wala anyanda decide la fali alam fa mala wo wallahi billahi wala a decide ni yankuba yow green light de la no ko e suguro ni jabul ni fon sambala sukono it's over why it's over mina fala len bari back to the story de la njukal yes so ayete jonga ayebula men wala ko akaya nakaydo dadanya my bank statement so I know how much I have julu jël benna jëlen dara ko doti mo jël la julol benna munen telephone la financial problem di ngalon say ite mo ligante eko ha domoro bira fa yang si ya jamuna la ñina de truth do bekela ndam traje telephone atelam jonga ani ala yankuba jonga ala ndam traje yankuba kay ko yalla ntama remember na musubu do ko la kansul na mari member na musubu na bama be do ko la kansul so mayatin ni kansul la ni baga su birante ya mo understand okay can you explain that why I don't understand what you trying to do here intela balu man tan ntelbe kansul do ko lante ikande do salary la sa intel responsibility mudi kan sura ni mano ni fo din nabdi mbal kansul ni na dimbaye mu ne soto ñola yankuba ñene fay wala ko yara fa mudum ndene men kadil ndama ñim mo sifalo kari gamel bu ko fu duma gamel abata ngana taw ñama yankuba fa manata ay be ton down ko zakala muso wala dingo mantra do ko kansul ila hajita kansul la sukurtu wala kansul la manito abo kala lu mel ite mantra je atani alala don't lie don't steal dama do diata ko do diata but tamale kala dumana dumati to abala ko nyaade ko the real test of a man is not through adversity ko hadaba dum testé ibuka long kole akon mo si buturota ay batata ay konkota hajala ay tojota ay fongo beta but sembo power mansa watamale kala dumana dumati watamale ka molo so yankuba ala ya londi molo tamola bidim mansa bulata blokono say mulka fay la fa ñene kele ngireten kar mulka ga state house di set alon ko ñinni ma state house ma ñodam fen it's the same thing ñun lu menal yalla mansa fanan tomba dum da state house chapaj mulka ke mi jenne baro sikuto ngamay ko Lebanese community mala ñaadi wala na kata kondo business community bina Indian community bina ñi ben fen kana wo ko dendro ndol fatawol kabrin 2017 ila presso determined woldo ila foreign presso determined bin bitoloto way envelope men dita wala ba determined han bi tebe manam sanda jelala ila poro men kata maje o bitumulo ba kita woldo ndo be sirin jama wala fa community ngala ba dum bare kaya kala je o community men kata envelope men kata kul kata du ndoka fa woldo budu ñita pare te lay ministre pour tombo ulbe yamar sindo la jere ministre of trade jana ministre nga pate e ko la ay e ko tan wek so meeting wol ni o diamol ntol tiñata wol ka 2017 ntol ñam be sitere mala fo be kéré because we have no reference point. Yankuba was tested at that very moment landi jaka fata ko because al musoma ngal dogal kan so Gambia Canada West Coast Canada bera setana muleketa abe nyaajal ana ko jonga kay nakayto la jongam karikila olta janna kayto findin jonga tara ñu super jana Yankuba tara jank mi dia kala dia mu jobat simple document simple bank statements mën na rek lu mel nga bank statement nga mëna jiyé même for exactly wala keta ji ko ni tare fa nyamale kata ka hamulo ko beyna kala yar fa julu bala betel nara mëna check na account so be all red 9-10 million dollars in red na julo be la ber so secret dama 24 million dollars julo robe ni janate ma so secret yar fa mo la ñing pension ko don to ga julo fa ni ko be dom mo la ke bala pension ko do ko fa na mbir do mala Jawel Hamir Dia aka julo di molla pour ngana salaire jo ning warso de ya jo so wati so imagine ndenya ndaka Jawel tax ndenya ndaka fi jaalo ko itela business mi le West Coast la essential la factory prim par ñi la tax wodi fodi ya bay o kanta donto salaire la pour ngana salaire jo ndese mu defuno Jawel la fa ñama nin jawol de ray semendo ka fa fo ndete so menen no je al julo bendal ndol be ñum position do wolum karome yanku banata fentembul bank account be red julo benna julo jurumul do kulal be jahasere mo mala fo be kere total chaos. So now you have a choice. Say choice either to give up. You could cross you, ha, and then you said on quarter, and didn't fan falaja, ha, yen even a bigger than modern fania do system. Now you have a choice to come and say, I'm going to fight the system, Between Sabatinale, in Kudoka Dunda, Medding Kota, Nebe Kisiki, Nye Suki, Moli Wuri, Lied in Yokono. Voila, Nande, a continent, Kudo Soto, Mobile Balu, Kule continent, Burum. Forage na continue buru membe linje kabere sangi taworo sangi tansaba sangi tanali forage nday mentraje bare wala adoti ndola ado wala ka foreya buru mban fane ado continue ngandey nganyabidi ngantulo suki ngantara no office ko no menna kaydo chapa chapa la ni pare na kude dina fe farade nga sey ngada na koda balo musubale fanke jang pajodo bale sang mumbayo ke sanjululu ngabaje. This is a choice. O le système moñe ngana daba ko dodu na kansule la ñomay nga loi landi nga sarato landi nga resolution pass nga legal framework called dada membe na do kunya guide la membe sunyaro bola jang membe legal framework so sambala nang abenna tanin na aninna engagement on about guide la on the legal on the phone call naka say I had to call it best practices of administration wala colère the easy one wala day you continue sounds what sort of about last year fola yankuba interview ko jang kerfatu a fali na ko what sort of jongal na ya offer $60 million like ay nyimuta kata do ko continue $60 million taworo fo fatule ka bayite kam wala to ka ha ngam wala to ka raketale 60 million for ninke memang bear it 40 years old ika afele nga do ko continue yankuba en fole kerfatu interview mal hakilo mal taliye video ni ka bajala kilometer kilo dimita milon tawore ina kasala ko hani ko mol ko don't lie don't steal. This is the opposite of fair faniafo and deceit kamol manipulate masakundara aninka tonyafo in different solo bije ni aka nyama ku kendo la ka wulu mu be balu ni tapale aka je fan dabal kumi when he had a chance to do this asano no afana join ni jointa all you have to do is nya bit ye tulusuki you kuble jala men ka tamen way tam men ka balu way balu men ka la envelope soto every friday wala envelope soto men ka la kude soto every friday wala kude soto mu be balu system flow. So when he was confronted with this leadership crisis, he chose the hard part. Birata meata di engkal be nyaja. A police talamba. A lungunum someone lamba. Masakunda ko tay ko tay ngani mbaya katita ngani fenkata fokala moto 6 kala moto singol wutu jana. Chabul 6 ni bekere jana pour ka mol bondi. Meni be system ko no menan koy nyanta bola jele menika na system be suufi ka be do mo ka pare ba fo be la taraje bar wo kilo dimita nyanya sa jiba mi wulupi ay mol hakilo yirwan ay mol hakilo ke ina point men ko say mo ko duwel mote ni no ko tank moti na ko besko sukala ka fe ba sama banda de bari you know fungo man sore de wo development formation de ba fa la nyama ma wala ya mat ya ñu ko lay bo findin la mo le wulé traji ye kudu da kun ni makil xani ya ko boraje saying the expectations has risen mo la hakilo say yalla ndo say ndo sila jang ngonka nga fen expect from masakunda ka masakunda nyanta ñina di la mo lay friya ale kabita dinin may na manadi madi famal bile bari la so ite mo you cannot really expect that from masakunda so ndo nga foirel accept wala ta sonta wala masakunda bloko wasan wala BSc 2023 ngamba 75 million ko yola soto $75 million but through alo ballon ko dota wala ko tululin jabo ni folta sanji fula nyato sanji fula sai nyinang be almost 300 million malal already by June 150 million malal but ala first year samena nata 75 million I remember number sitting bana solo dasta tilikiling something like that 2023 ha no wala June ma fo la July bana sol tamo Jani wo karo kale men ka spend staff wala salary ni ñing so security ñing karo bonus karo almost $19 million men ka bon account ko 19 few months later bana solo das tanga ba client na wesi office ko na to yanks e ka do bon ko ñena broda ko ñen la ko ñen let me show you something ko you see when we already paid all our salaries all our social security contributions everything by staff ko yajal 3.7 amount 3.9 something like that million from 19. These are miracles. It become more explain more. Nia for and Akana Nyan, Madame Fania for like, Nina Bekiri. The same office make almost 19 million on staff salaries and staff related issues in a month. Without a sign, at that point, 3 something, sign but 6 million month. After Namo Kemesabanim Tower at, we added 360 more employees. 360 more employees in Walla Adje. Hansa and the payroll for $7 million every year, every month. But the first month, Janai good home for it will that time $19 million started. Karokon. So you have more employees, more staff, better salaries. Sign lowest salary in BAC is about $6,000. Police will say police will get the government can police will join immigration. People can get a BAC policy because of the $6,000 salary. More kapare kabo army kana BAC join because of a $6,000 salary. Yinam human development, yinam mol kamol batan, kamol dahandi. B police they wanna leave their job, they come and they'll get $6,000 as opposed to 4,000 plus. Nanyama failal. Otu mo welcome 2,000 almost 2 plus you go make na border fell dokula nanying mbali dokula de. So almost $8,000 a month because they work overtime. Yankuba also make sure they get overtime pay legally. Otu make dokula so wanda hula roite it a overtime. Saying all of that is happening. More life improvement. I don't know whether you project holding forward, but the actual impact of life on people's life is immense. These are all flowing below the radar. How can you forward? So this is it. So nimul ka wuri jang hansa malo mune masakunda but don't BAC we know what is possible, what is not possible. So if today, because Yankuba came, Yankuba had a revenue bonding from what 75 something million to almost 300 million, so that's like almost what 3 times. Okay, 3 times. Our government, according to GRA, na local fund mobilization, na local government local funds can mobilize. GRA la collection on phone, Yankuba da coming for. Eco, we are getting about 24 billion. 24 billion a year. You can call some. Okay? Keep that number in mind. 24. Equality feka braga feka kisanyo kosala ikata funkola tax galal ka kamoli ko kamoli reward Africell jana the best taxpayer Africell best ngapa de QCell nonsense ko de kata ka mitim baake jana ka koko ocean iko ke sanyo ko mani ngala 24 billion you will collect in a year. Okay? Nsimen fale. Yeah, just like Yankuba took that 75 million to almost 300, tripling it basically. I'm saying you guarantee that 24. So before I go to that, 24 billion, but in the budget, the saying the national budget is almost 40 billion. So you are collecting 24, but you need 40. So you are short about what 18 billion. Okay. That's a fact. Saying, where are you going to get the extra 18 billion to fund your government for the year? So, Daniel Rokanawald. That's when the European Union comes in. The ADB, Islamic Development Bank, World Bank, IMF Jang, Choparijana, Yakafunyoka, Yamasakunda Taman. So world jamaja ka follow projections ko mbijigirin ko EU be nangam samanana wala mbijigirin ko Islamic Development Bank be nangam samana IMF may sometimes certainty and sometimes abibukana, but they do their projections, budget projections on those incoming potentials. But they are not actually 100%. My mistake that KMC at some point, they come on 60 for 90 million money. You will secure from whatever organization. If I announce, yeah, for me to standard Pirimparam, Sanji Killing Command, we reminded them last time, is secured. Fire Camintos, that's standard newspaper. Mobi can go million for Talon, I don't know, I think it's 60 million or whatever euros or something. It never came. So Ninja Makaka Masakundara, Talib KMC just found out the hard way because they are amateurs. Imang menu cook on the back. So the I knew could offer a bit pump. Sometimes they might just put some conditions here and there. Like Gambia case, they'll put some like like a human rights record, you cannot jail journalists. Well, sometimes they are more than a bail in festival because it cannot scholar that. The human rights record will determine how much money you make. All of these things, your journalist kilometer, somebody mile 2 feet fat, so all of these things, it all ties together and it will determine if it's open lay. So you don't make 100% projections on these figures. Gambia nag masakun nang kanyineke. Sometimes in number bukana, then what you have is budget shortfalls. But the new budget shortfall wala komi educate menna be manna sa ite e kawdi already. E ko benya hakala silo dala mekelata but kudo mamfuta. So you start overreaching. Either ita another source ya banwodo wala ita julota from government, from banks in the name of treasury bills. So that's why you hear treasury bills. Let's say you promise ko ibe hakalan silo dala because of political diamo kumo dia da ko litara ya be butanje say ko manna say hakalan ko manole. What you do is you go to EcoBank or later Standard Chartered ko hakalan silo halanda nale makoy ali julodina to tan julata 40 million 50 million 100 million dollars dollars la so pour hakalan silo dada so have is in short for le benna alim donto. Or they put out a funko, what do you call it, a treasury bill. Central bank treasury bill. They raise bonds, Mobe contribute. Then you have to major within this time and then you could collect and then you have to top it. With interest, of course, 20%, 15%. It depends on how badly they need the money. So these are the class tapal coming EU corrupt. In EU adik jebag. Boramanelad. So by saying, let's come to the GRA. Right now, coming by valid how we struggle to fund our budget. We do 24 guaranteed. That's what GRA says, okay? We need another 18, cover 40, for example. But Nabila American projections from EU and other places, well, they are not guaranteed. So if there's a shortfall, we suffer. But how about we need 40? If Yankuba Gidabo can get 75 million, as about 300 million in 2 years, I believe too that I'm 100% confident we can take that 24 billion and make it 60 billion within a year or two. With don't lie, don't steal. Yesungota ye kamodete ye nyafajana maybe dabera dio ye da pasi ye dio banda kono meni ya ngor jang ye tiolo ke jang ye tiolo lokho na you understand ya boni da kono dunkulo ya be suki keron ye be fadjana you understand you do that within 1 year 2 months once 1 year 2 years you are now at the level of what 40 to 60 billion, between 40 and 60 billion dollars of collected revenue annually. Abijele 110% abijele. Na be BSC no, abe central government fana. Intele fani afare. If you get 40 to 45, let's say 50 billion, easily attainable. Intele fani afare. They know that we know the loopholes are there, and you close it. 50 $. So if you get 50, you cap your budget at 35 because some of this university, this Ministry of General Higher Education, Young Education, it could be Burkale. You understand? You have one ministry. Some of these ministries, you'll do Kudujana. Ambassadors with the stupid embassies like Cuba and all those places, whatever. You shut them down. You understand? Save money. Okay? Figure out your funko. That vehicle policy. 300 million I mean save, you'll be someone and then you cut you cut things according to our own size. You can be able to bring that budget down to 30 billion. So let's say you're collecting 50, you have 30 billion, you sponsor your entire budget. Imagine a Gambia that don't need a budget from EU, a budget from IMF, a budget from World Bank. All we have to do is service our debt. Na Julian Mebeloni Woljo, na budget nga be sponsor 110%. With 40 billion, let's say 35 billion, we collecting 50, we have another $15 billion of what surplus. Extra money that we don't need to spend on government's expenditures, how to run our budget. This 10 to 15 billion is extra money after budgeting. Carefully surplus. You will be spent already. You program will be depends. Then you have extra money laying down there. That is the money. Let's say yafa jahli pachar. Yafa na farol lafa from 1,000 hectares to 5,000 hectares. Gambia Sol has fragile program from balloon about 11,000 hectares. You know, you start every year, you add another 2,000-3,000. Before you know, 5 years, you have 11,000-15,000 hectares that can feed the Gambia. Extra money. You have extra money. You do what do you call it? You do our like more scholarships. You know, you have that extra 2-3 billion, 5 billion. Brand new stadium in Jarasoma. Okay, this is Molokela. 2-3 billion for Malam Bakelemendi, stadium Kudo Jarasoma. Okay, next another stadium in Jana, how to call it in Basse. Then we have what they call a professional. Then you pump another 1 billion into what? Professional league. To tell GFA, I'm pledging $1 billion to establishing a professional league where every player will be paid not less than $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 a month. As long as we are into first division professional team, or $50,000. Any player may go so itata back way. Basically, talent develop. You make money from money, prize monies, from salaries to endorsements. You understand? And then everybody survives. You fine, but you can live here. You can buy a house for your mom. You can do things and then be as a professional. This is what extra money does. America this is called extra money. They have surplus. They don't have to spend everything on food and just baluk and some. Gambia development kolea. Batarol siyata. Mo killing kasi banku jani ko na beta mende ka bedo kasi ako jambe development nyade. So that 20-something billion GRA I'm telling you, if you apply the same principle that Yankuba Dab applied in in BAC under the UDP government by Usono Dabo and Anala Mul with the London Mensoto, Habo Mensoto, the Kara Mensoto, Ferro Mensoto, to know where every loophole his car based on fire could correct bond the mobile balloon. Instead of Mokilita Bunjan Kemelo, Bunjan Talo, Mokeme Bunjan Kilo, mobile balloon. This is it. You manke talent kuti. Bari nkala ko. Ni birka mo ko fana nyini nka sanyi na no commando. Ni scholarship na hande ba ko talent nam. Ni ko be bohol tanse lo lale in 1 year ba fo talent nam. Ni ko be 101 million spell on Bali Trocol. Ba fo be talent wala sanyi na no commando. 2022. You ask any residents of BAC mental affairs sangi tawor soto. Yani nanka ba fele be tali lalla nyinga ko kanila won mina nga $1 million dialla kanila won ya jabana manam menge jarana manam menge nga dialla to bulokon prali ala ko kanila won ba fele yi wulu ba fele te man kenne ya o isa hadal kantum mona manake ana manaje forlu mena keta kelmana yankuba dabo yake anala kansulo so Gambia fana nyinga la ko nyinsi kedon sin jaresi $50 billion collecto nganna budget based sponsor 35-40 billion $10 billion ay tun koto nganna hajul kala nganna stadium mo nganna extra curricular bagasul kala alba fala man kende because ana mananke barin sala illahi ndaño ko wallahi billahi asikeno. If Yankuba Dabo can take GRA BSL revenue from 75 million to 300 million close this year, in 2 years, you can do it in 5 years. Because the formula is there already. Londo bije, Anganio bije, Akea bije, Ahanyo bije. Can I sort of hang? Fosi hang. Can any move any move wala siyo batere. Amo doko la dabarle babele kelala. but fosi hañi kañum businessman balda ki be ñako ya fa hey ala mem tela taxojo ita mani sambala tela taxojo ita sisegel sambala tela taxojo tela porode yemen jor kana nan jang fiso kam ñako ita mu terimalde envelope kan mela mansole la envelope la don't come to me ita ko you businessman state house no be state house man def ke state house you want to do business in Gambia free affaire tayela poro sambana yela bagaso wafi yela kodo jo indaka jo daming yela taxo jo and then ila dola fana ka même bonni banko kanjang bako mo tele falal yo magana fana to am fina kilo na doka kanu kunya be kire kiran gambe la gambe ma faham hey Allah akbar yo bi ngay bi diaw be yalla bamoro so ñim business manon kudo fana betta makanja men kana na kudo la karode na foreign currency man fosi ñin kata ma bang fo nga konti bo ñim ngam fa fana ko ja mu wan la fa 10 minutes diam ngala problème mais ndo farda shabar mais farle too much inna lillahi kanyo bunda ma jatu mo dula bulo la kundo jande ha men ka ñin business man kam ngam mo la janjang when it comes to the foreign dollar ka dollar ya fasi bank kanyan ka samba ka findiri bank kanyan illegally ni me wa fa ya bet fana ma fa sun kudal bar me men rek ñina tinna ni ko politiko wal nga ñew al nga hakilol yirwandi bari ka hakilol yirwandi wala ye du ko fananke mburiaje yella comme bi West Coast ni ko sama mbela World Development Fund ma bonda 1 million mbasa 1.2 ibela lela bay de si sanyi sama ko mo ka fo me hani 300,000 dollars dilala World Development ba fa neta man kende hani 300,000 ina manaje ita expect lanu wala bi 5 foje mo understand 1 million la taka wuro ko mata sign aketa mum design a normal thing now which me saying West Coast ko sign balu nyimma idola ta karamoto Marseille San Samayana Geobeta within 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Jambar Sanelo Sula better correcting. You understand? Boholo le sim musola garden auto. Sign West Coast call will bully over sign come sign is a normal thing. Kule manyanta kela. Left a Gambia fanam be miratan. Nasi nkajoko stadium or stadium kude lo jara soma is a normal thing. Pour ndol jara university de kana fenjo is a normal thing. Pour mano ay sala yimba ko fenjang mano price di $500-600 is a normal thing. Gambia la Croatia fo sa en kombe salary increase la police will be a salary for sa wuli tanim fen mo be balu mo fananke is a normal thing. Menan ko buka mire na rano sanji lu ñato ay ke normal thing just like BSc sanji saba commando même manki na normal thing sa kire normal thing ñinam tela politiko ñinam te dum ñaaje ndeka politiko kaja ñinam mo la balu sone amul kam ha hayna BSc jana tangeta ngaji dul ko ha BSc aba bata america le ha man dar fenna be BSc be dogo la yang ko ndesan kuni mbali adan tabul because itela ñu borom te diame businessman di mentalo ko ande mo ñamantalo ñay ni wo ndela ko mo ma ngonde mo fala ja da fa ndela balu man dara bi esika hani essence na mana taji mo ka fen na mata official tamo yanku be mbala mena essence tawa I don't get coupons, I don't do anything da fa bari kaje ko hakilo samanan together and do go keje because ni mo control ito ko ito ya be nda konta businessman be ko be tikita kala ntelan karate be moto ba borna be tikita of course this okay do ntela most of my time can spend outside of doing my own things but itelo kundu la prim par on be ning governance maralo mantra correcting ite ke time ite be time is wala because ina de kala at succeed la isi boring at the end of the day at succeed la see. Because the system is not there to support you. The infrastructure is not there. Let's take a phone and cast some message and come here. Maseduma. Masebenijio. Abenutumbo. Miramendo. The business model. So this is it. More than you understand. Well, I'm service. Kule meanku amanke ku jakanti. Kadoke mole. Mo ka sacrifice yang ku betam la ko yang ku wala BSc salary wala yang ku basin la jang. Ka ban jang. Konte. Ala kam balunde la. Barin salary wonte wallahi so lonje. Muka ba hanan siring. Ka to ndesina fu America ngata jang. Ndebi jang sanji jelu. Sanji fula saba jani ni yang ko na BSc. Menno ko la. Me bal wala men tani nala. Wala continue. Ngani mfana bula kono as part of my duties. Bari mulma understand ko service na family. So kanyame nak bari last topic ko ni ñan la fa même fala demande rek ngaji mul batara sa la moro la wala fungode ba mi mbar ngo aj mar ngo paru aj fa no la de ikama mul la fa batara demande mira demande sa nga wana plus ke jan I think one hour is gone. So let me just coming nga kajani banjang nga bara kajani fanto la bi waddo mina nyi kudo fan kajal comme nyi carte fa ko den electoral fraud al history menti asata nyaming manana molka use man salmika depend kan because of a mandra tonyala, so they depend on this electoral falsehoods ke fan sending kan ke fan perpetrating kan kamola nyantol ke jana trample upon. So I'll come up another time. I'll come on. So this is it. So Allah baraka bake, and I think benefit. There's a lot of things maybe responsibly why we are in such a state of affairs. So hopefully I try to explain our relationship with governance, how governance contributes to what we are going through, and how a change of government and better systems can improve everything for us. And I know it's going to happen. It's going to happen with the right UDP government, because the blueprint has already been set. The blueprint is there. Yankuba has proven it. BSc has proven it. So I see no reason why it could not be replicated at the government's level and across all area councils around the country. So within a short time, we can realize the wealth of our country, the wealth of our nations, manifest in our lives. When somebody come and tell me you're a rich country, you're a country with resources, blah, blah, let me see it. You tell me I'm having economic 5%, 10% economic growth, I want to feel it in my pocket. I want to feel it at the price of rice, sugar, and petroleum. So if this is what we also strive for. Government governance better, Andy, one day we'll all get better together. In Diambal, in tribals, in problem for be for element. Nabe diari, I can't diam away. I do a new cool weekend, cooling in first learning for Benajune Busala, Chebo Busa, Meneka travels in Wajan. You can move a baby Busala, Benajune Busala. You are full of a baby choke, the hell the idea. First learning how tired I am, maybe you can have a diarin. But you call now comparison height for resources, then you see people now starting going to the ugly side of themselves. In tribalism, problem one in Kirkarabu, Karamala, Government, and Conante, a bit for it. I'm going for it by. I'm going for it by. I'm going for it. Kill it. I kill it through governance. Good governance. How? It's a solution. So, Kamala, from that point, I'll take a leave of you guys. People just random from what I just happen to pop in and, throw a few words out there. I'm sure we will have more opportunities to interact more, inshallah. Okay? All right. Thank you so much. Adios.